Have you ever pondered the idea of making money on Etsy? Perhaps got a knack for creating unique and eye-catching items, and you're considering harnessing that talent to earn some income? You're in the right place. Today we're going to delve into the world of Etsy and provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to set up your own Etsy shop and start selling. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this. First things first, what exactly is Etsy? It's an online marketplace that specializes in unique and creative goods, including handmade items, vintage pieces, and craft supplies. It's a platform that connects sellers of these unique items with buyers around the world who are looking for something a little bit different. To start your Etsy journey, you'll need to create an Etsy account. This is a simple process that involves providing your email address and creating a password. Once that's done, you'll need to click on the Sell on Etsy option and follow the prompts to set up your shop. The next step is to stock your shop. It's important to remember that Etsy shoppers are looking for unique, high-quality items. So make sure your products fit the bill. Whether you're selling handmade jewelry, vintage furniture, or craft supplies, ensure your products are of the highest quality and are presented in a way that is appealing to the potential buyer. Now, let's talk about pricing. This can be a tricky aspect to navigate, but a good rule of thumb is to factor in the cost of materials, your time, and any overheads, such as packaging and shipping. Keep in mind that competitive pricing can make your items more attractive to buyers, but be careful not to undervalue your work. Once you're happy with your product range and pricing, it's time to list your items. Make sure to use clear and detailed descriptions, and don't forget to utilize keywords to help potential buyers find your products. A picture speaks 1,000 words, so ensure your products are showcased with high-quality images. Now that your shop is up and running, it's time to focus on marketing. Social media platforms, blogs, and email newsletters can be effective ways to promote your Etsy shop and drive traffic to your listings. Remember, the more eyes on your products, the higher the chances of making a sale. In summary, making money on Etsy involves creating an account, setting up your shop, stocking it with unique, high-quality items, pricing your products appropriately, listing them with clear descriptions and high-quality images, and marketing your shop effectively. It's a process that requires time, effort, and a dash of creativity. But with these steps in mind, you're well on your way to turning your passion into a profitable venture. So why wait? Your Etsy journey starts now.